Hello. Default WooCommerce upsell in the cart are not working in the way that they should. Art upsell for WooCommerce script takes upsell products only if you add them for current products in the cart. From the box, there isn't a way for me to mass edit upsell products WooCommerce. Today I will show how to set up WooCommerce show related products on the cart page in a few clicks and show automatic upsell products different simple approach. First off, we need to install LavBoost plugin, links in description. Additional WooCommerce upsell and cart settings appeared in the tab LavBoost then cart page after plugin activation. We have a store for PMU and microblading with products in the categories, accessories, cartridges, ink and pigments, PMU machine, power supply, and practice skin. Also, we have products with tags, accessories, inks, services, technical, tools. Now, we need to set up relations between our categories and tags. Go to the tab LavBoost rather than relations. Now we need to display WooCommerce upsell in the cart. So go to tab LavBoost then cart and enable to WooCommerce show related products on the cart page. Put our custom title for the cart upsell section. Then you need to set up data for cart upsell by categories, tags, or even viewed products. That's it. Now WooCommerce chooses cart to upsell products by the relations we have set up. Let's check it. A similar way to WooCommerce shows upsell products on pop-up, but we will show it in the new video. Goodbye.